not sure what I did, but I know it looks decent, at least. This should work for me. It should work. Here. Okay, so my shoes. We gotta go. See you guys when we get there.
I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was 2. Didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction. Convinced I never needed fixing. And that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything. Thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one. And if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw
that part actually.
This is wide.
It's cold out. You can just use this space.
Not bad though. I like how clean it is. Like even the floor is very clean. I don't like dark wood.
I can't wait till you see that upstairs. Oh, you seen the picture? You seen
Yeah, I've seen it. I've taught here. Yeah. I know here more than Colin himself.
so heavy and I'm feeling low.
I don't have a problem with it. Just the dining table and this. And this is so comfortable.
Like seriously.
I'm gonna do like a proper tour later on, but we're just like the goal is to convert it into a play area. No, that one has to go. This is the laundry room. We're gonna do a detailed tour later on. This laundry room is so beautiful. Laundry room is so huge. Like huge, huge, huge. I love it. The master. See Mama's bathroom. So this is gonna be our content space. We're gonna turn this into my office. There's a bathroom here. Hi. I'm thinking I might take this to my kids' room just because they don't have any, or I'll get a new one for them. And we can see outside. We're leaving now. We have to go to Kayla and Carson's supposed soon-to-be school. So we'll be back here in 2 days.
Say, hey mama.
Hi, Mama.
Hey papa.
Hey, Papa.
Say hi, Bayo.
Hey.
You want to introduce yourself?
Myself?
Yeah.
Content creators.
Hey, I'm Easy B, your one and only go-to realtor in Calgary area.
What's your handle?
Handle is Easy BB.
So, hey guys. Where's the little man saying hey guys? Hey guys. See the height of the boxes from all the way down. Just look at that. I have a lot of unboxing to do. I'll put them in one box. People are using what as car. Why are you pushing that one here? So I got my hanger in white and rose gold to match Kayla. Kayla's own is like blush and rose gold. But yeah. Good morning, guys. Welcome back. This is my tie. They're like 5 baby Cocomelon episodes playing. Cassie is watching one, Kayla is watching one, we're watching one at the same time. But today is possession day. We're so excited. Are you excited? I was like, I'm stressed him, eh? We're finally taking possession today. What do you say? Oh, okay. We're finally taking possession today, and we're so excited because we had to push back 2 weeks after the actual date, but it's finally over. We've packed. Our car is so full, loaded with our personal things, and we have like 2 other cars that are driving with us as well. Friends are coming as well, helping us with the move. See, you don't know what you have in terms of property until you start moving. The things that we've accumulated over time, irrespective of the fact that we've dashed like 80% of our things out, our things are still much. But at least they were able to fit into 2 cars. So that's a good one. We're on our way now. We're on our way to pick up food because we ordered for food. Hubby ordered for some food before heading to the house. I'm so excited because now I can finally rest and unpack and start my life before the new year. Cassin, are you excited? He just wants to watch something. Don't touch anything again, okay? It's so beautiful. Like, all the pine trees are like, it has snow on it. It has like, it's all, let me show you guys. It's all white and it's so beautiful.